Plant viruses!
Okay. Mechanical organism that's microscopic. It does not possess the mechanical ability to reproduce outside of a host. Plant viruses can be beneficial or harmful to a plant species.
A virus must mutate to infect a plant that already has antibodies against the virus. Some plants may or may not show symptoms of a virus being infected until it is harvested.
Was studied was by two Dutch scientists, Martina Spajanic and Dmitry Iwanowski. They were studying a diseased tobacco plant in the 19th century. They both studied this plant individually, but they came up with the same characteristics. The plant became much smaller than its original size and unusable.
Plant viruses are relevant to us because they affect fruit and vegetable populations that we eat every day, and even some animal populations, like the H1N1 or swine flu, and even some avian flus that affect populous cities. Being aware of these and how they spread will prevent them from spreading in the future.
As some might believe, there are in fact pros to viruses, as certain breeds can have DNA sequences from the viruses injected into them, so they can create antibodies to become immune to that selected strain. There are, of course, cons of plant viruses. Plant viruses can mutate and kill different plants. This includes the Cavendish banana.
Speaking of the Cavendish banana, it is currently being ravaged by the Panama tropical race disease, which causes the soil to become useless and trees collapse before they can produce any fruit. Cavendish bananas account for 99% of the $13 billion that are exported annually of these bananas.
A famous example of a plant virus wiping out a population is the potato blight or potato famine in Ireland. This is what a normal potato looks like. And an infected potato looks like this. That's an infected potato.
Yes.
That's bad. Other ones would be the Cavendish banana and the Panama disease, tobacco mosaic virus, as mentioned above, the tomato bushy stud virus, which affects eggplants, and the grapevine fan leaf virus, which infects grapes.
Shown on the map here are where Cavendish bananas are grown. As explained earlier, most of the population has been infected with the Panama tropical race disease, so this shows that the main areas of infection are in Central and South America, with other areas being Ivory Coast, India, and the Philippines.
Here on the graph, we see the different countries that produce commercial bananas. As you can see, the Cavendish is the most popular. If we lose the Cavendish banana, then we lose the majority of the banana population. You can also see where the majority of the bananas are being produced. These places being Latin America and Asia that produce the most bananas. The Panama tropical race disease originates in Panama, so the majority of the infected bananas are there and the majority of banana production is there.